Is that Andrew or his dad with a hat?
Well, they both have hats on. It just depends which hat you're talking about.
Because we are Mexican heritage. One of my brother's close friends, we went to visit my brother in Texas when he lived there, and he just decided to call him Papa Taco because my brother was expecting.
Papa Taco, yeah, for sure, yeah.
Andrew just gets mad if we don't call him Papa Taco. His real name is Marshall, although he's also, his middle name is Patrick, so I guess he's usually used to Patrick if he's not Papa Taco. At this point, we don't really know what to call him.
The name story is a long story. I don't have to tell you about that. But Papa Taco, my grandkids call me, and that's all I really care about.
We wanted to do like a whole father-son thing. Yeah, he's working here for us. He's our receptionist.
Everybody. Yeah, but if they don't want to, they don't have to. They can call me you, Marshall, Patrick.
Well, yeah, and then it just stuck, and he has adopted it, and now everyone here calls him Marshall, and I don't know what to make of it. Confuses me on the daily.